Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 99. What is a CDN? Before watching this video, please watch my part 96, 97 and 98. In part 98, I was explaining about what is JavaScript minification, and in that I was explaining about the code for even odd numbers, and we will use in this session about that program. So let's please watch my previous parts before watching this video. So let's go with what is a CDN. CDN full form is Content Delivery Network. A content means image, jQuery files, scripts, and another files for the web application. So that contains a content, and this CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. CDN is a network of computers that exists all over the world. For example, for a web application, there are two ways we can make the jQuery library available. First, we have a copy of the jQuery library on your web server and reference it. Means if we have in our application the script files and we use that, that is called a local server script. And the second one is reference the jQuery library from a CDN. There are different companies for the CDN files: Google, Microsoft, and jQuery. If you download from Google, it will look like this. The server name ajax.googleapis.com and the version of the jQuery. Okay, that's like Google, Microsoft, jQuery, or CDN. You can download from these websites. Here I have given the website names. Okay, so in the last application we have seen a simple application of the binary file using this script file from this script folder. Here I have used a local script 110.2 jQuery.js and this even or main.js file for our program. Okay, and we have run. It's working okay, right? Now for 5 or for 4, it's even. Okay, now if we try to use CDN here in place of this script of local server, what happened we see. Let's go to the website of jQuery, and here you will find that CDN files. Okay, here is the Google CDN, Microsoft CDN, CDN.js, CDN.js delivered CDN. Different companies use this network. It provides us a jQuery files, images, and web application files, etc. from this CDN network. This network is available for all the regions of the world. Okay. Presently, these companies are helping to provide CDN files. Now, if we need jQuery file, suppose I want to change with this jQuery 110.2 with jQuery CDN, then what I will do? I will go to the jQuery.com, okay, and will find the file. Here you can see for uh, all instrument or devices there is files: UI, mobile, color, effects, like that. Here all the versions of the jQuery files: 3.x, 2.x, and we need this 110.2.jx. But suppose you have this, okay. So what I will just go to this server, copy this name of the server, and let's paste it here. Okay, so that the script will be display here. Now I want to use this 110.2.js. No problem. We can use 110.2. Here is 112.4 version. So we can change it by changing just the version. Okay, so 1.10.2, 1.10.2, and just click on this. So you can get the jQuery CDN here. Just you copy this path, and right here in place of this source. Okay, in place of this source, so that the CDN network is available for this jQuery version. Okay, and if I use this in my program, let's run it. Control Shift R to refresh the page. Click number is even 4, 5, number is old. Okay, so this is working fine. So CDN library you can use like this. Okay, just paste the name of the location of the server and the version number of the jQuery. So now let's see. Okay, caching benefits. If other websites use jQuery and if the user has already visited those websites, first jQuery file is cached. If the user then visits your website, the cached jQuery file is used without having the need to download it again. Suppose you are using CNN website and the server is in America and you are using from India. CNN website when run, it already have CDN jQuery downloaded, and that is inside of caching. And now you are trying from India. So same that caching benefits you can get, because when you try to open that CNN website, then you don't have to download that file again. Okay, because already CNN website has downloaded that jQuery CDN, and that is inside that is saved using caching. Okay, so that benefit you can get, so no need to download it again. Okay, speed benefits. The jQuery file from the nearest geographical server will be downloaded. Suppose your server is in America and you are in India. If you want to download for your server the files, you don't need to uh, go to America, or you don't try from America. You can try from India, from the nearest geographical location, and the server will be geographical server will whatever the nearest, that will be downloaded these jQuery CDNs to your server. Okay, so that is the benefit of speed, so that you can get the speed benefit. Okay, the jQuery file will be downloaded easily within a second. So that speed benefit will you will get from there. So reduce network traffic. As a jQuery file is loaded from a CDN, this reduces the network traffic of your web server. You don't have to download from your server, and CDN network uh, have different regional places there is CDN network available. So it is easy to get the file from the server. Okay, because nearest network will be available and there is no traffic on the server, because there is so many in the network that CDN available. So parallelism benefit. There is a limitation on how many components can be downloaded in parallel. This limitation is per host name. Suppose your server want 4 components to download, and there is rule that you can download only 2 components at a time. Okay, and in one time you will get a 1 second. So for another process of these 2 components, you require another 1 second, so that time you require 2 seconds. Okay, but if you download it from CDN, then your server is one host and the CDN server is second host. So your server will download two components, another host or CDN will be downloaded two components. So your time will be saved and you can get all the four components within 1 second. Okay, so this is the benefit of the CDN network, right? So this is the end of my video session. Thank you for listening my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, share it, like it. Thank you. Have a great day.